What up, what up, what up? Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. Last week was absolutely fantastic. I believe this week is going to be absolutely spectacular. I have some crazy setups we're going to look at this week. I know you're really going to like. Also, I got some boots on the ground and I'm going to give you some insight into some things that have been happening in the news lately and see how it affects the world around us. Before we get started, as always, make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed so you can get these drops as soon as possible. And if you like the information that I'm giving you today, make sure to go ahead and share this with the people you love. With that being said, as always, let's get into it. I'm going to go and take a quick look at the Roth portfolio. We added to it, I believe, the previous week. Everything is going according to plan. We're in a steady uptrend, and we're going to continue to add to the positions that are doing what we need them to do. We may even introduce a couple new positions. As of right now, everything is going absolutely fabulous. If you don't have a Roth IRA, you can go ahead, click the link in my bio and sign up for one, and as well support the channel. If you know somebody who's new to investing and they need some help getting started, or if somebody has a business and they're interested in investing for themselves or their employees, have them hit up the channel, click on the videos, $100 to $1 million. We're going to do this. This is a public portfolio, and everyone will get to see as we build together. Let's get into the economic calendar for the week. This week, Monday, light week, Chicago Fed President. Tuesday, NFIB Optimism Index. The big days are going to be Wednesday, core CPI year over year. We have a couple FOMC meetings. They've been crazy the last couple weeks. Thursday, the 11th, initial jobless claims, core PPI and PPI year over year. Friday is going to be pretty light. Import price index, a couple speeches from a couple Fed presidents, but nothing too much. The market historically overall is bullish. Let's get into that, the almanac, see what it says for this week. So going into the 8th, the market is expected to be bullish on this particular trading session. What does that mean? That means that on this particular trading day, the market has been bullish over 60% of the time. So Monday, bullish. Wednesday, there's some notes. It says April is second best month for S&P, fourth best for NASDAQ. That's since 1971. And I am expecting some bullish movement based on how SPY finished the week last week and the absolutely beautiful setups that I'm going to show you this week. Again, we're going to look for the things where the money resides. And overall, we understand commodities have been leading the way along with energy. So we're going to make sure we're focused on the things that are moving, and we're going to take advantage of it. The rest of the week, Friday should be bullish as well. And then really into the end of the month of April, we should be bullish overall. This is an election year, and the information that we have for the PCE that came out is really what we're looking for. There will be no rate decisions till June. So with that being said, investors are going to try to make money in the meantime, and we're going to show you where the money resides. One of the things I want to look at this week, there was a study that came out that said article came out saying that all the 99-cent stores were closing. Now, if you're not familiar with the 99-cent store is, it used to be a store that sold everything for 99 cents. I remember not having much money when I grew up, and we used to go to the 99-cent store. California-based 99-cent only stores announced it will close all 371 of its outlets effective Friday, February 5th. Friday, April 5th, 2024. The company said ending a 42-year retail run of selling nothing but items priced just under $1. So I actually wrote about this or actually got some boots on the ground and actually visited a 99-cent store, and I'll give you that video. But one of the things here, it says Pick and Save CEO trying to save 99-cent stores. So there's a group of investors that have got together and they want to save 99-cent store. Interesting story. I used to work at the 99-cent store, Pick and Save. I used to work at Pick and Save, and I was a security guard. So I didn't work for Pick and Save. I worked for a security guard company. They put me in downtown LA. My first day there, You know, if you've ever been a security guard, you got to stand up all day. So I'm standing up all day as a security guard, and there's some little rails or whatever, and I kind of lean onto the rails. And there was a manager at the time, and she said, "You can't be leaning on the rails like that because you got to stand up and let people know that you're serious so they won't steal." We are in downtown LA, and this was years ago. As we can see right now, even employees of stores can't do anything. You'll get in trouble. But for some reason, she wanted me to stand up to criminals stealing from Pick and Save. Not going to happen. I would think I was making probably $8 an hour or something. Not going to happen. I was in downtown LA. So what did they do? They moved me to a different location. They moved me to a location in Los Angeles, one of the worst parts of Los Angeles. Well, what ends up happening? On my day off, the store gets robbed. I come back to work on my shift, and they say, "Good thing you were off." Why? Because we got robbed. It's one thing to get fired on your day off. It is another thing for the store to get robbed on your day off. I was happy. I said, "So what happened to the other security guard?" It said, "Oh, you ain't happy what happened? You don't know what happened to the other security guards?" Sounds like a movie script, right? This is what happened. Little entertainment. He said he runs into the back and locks the door. This is the security guard. But do you blame him? Because we're in the worst part of LA. If the people wanted to take something, go ahead. Let them have it. They're finally learned that lesson in 2024, unless you have to shut down the stores because the loss is too high. Let me go to my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. I put a lot of information on there, a lot of motivational stuff, a lot of information that you won't get anywhere else. Exclusive. Let's get into this video. So I'm at the local 99-cent store. The other day we talked about on our live Zoom how 99-cent store is shutting down all the stores, and I mentioned. So I'm at the local 99-cent store. The other day we talked about on our live Zoom how 99-cent store is shutting down all the stores, and I mentioned how the business model wasn't sustainable and who were going to be the winners. So if you look at stuff like this, like Coke, it's actually like 2 for $4.90 or $4.99. Candies here. So a lot of this stuff throughout the store is actually the same price. If you see, nothing is actually 99 cents. So it used to be a place where people, if you didn't have much money, you could come in and get you food. And I remember when I was young and we didn't have a lot, we would come to the 99-cent store. But if you look at now, entire store on sale. So it's a 99-cent store. So how does the 99-cent store put everything on sale? I don't know. It's pretty crazy. So the question is, if people don't have money and the 99-cent store is shut down, where are people who don't have much money going to shop? They have to eat, right? So what stores are going to benefit from stores like the 99-cent store actually shutting down? Let me know what you guys think. So I'm at the local 99. So yeah, the question I actually asked was, since 99-cent stores are closing, there's a group of private investors who want to look into reviving the brand. Those were from Pick and Save. But if the stores close, who benefits? Where do low income families turn? Will R, he said, some prices look the same as Walmart and or Winco, so maybe they'll benefit more if 99-cent store closes. We shall see. What I want people to do is, if you have an idea, put those comments. If you know a ticker that may benefit, put those in the comments below. I'm going to have some discussions with you guys about the market to help you guys get better at breaking these things down. I know why everyone is here. Everyone is here for these watch lists. And guess what? We're going to get to it. Let's get to the watch list this week. Crazy setups. I'm going to be looking at one of them, PCG energy provider here, pretty clean for Northern California, PG&E Corporation. This is very, very clean. This has a 212 trigger above $16.86. This is currently double inside month. If the actual 212 month is at $16.91. So we have 5 cents away for the weekly trigger and 10 cents away from the monthly trigger. We got one pivot around 17 and a quarter to take out, and then we should be pushing up to that 18 and a quarter level. Pretty clean there. As far as the stock goes, there's earnings on April 25th before market, 10 a.m. Central, for the conference call. The other ticker we're going to be looking at, and we've been looking at this for a long time, and everything's been going absolutely according to plan, and that's NU. The thing about when you have stocks that are really, really strong and things that are going your way, you want to just continue to focus on those things and then look for the opportunities on discounts when they present themselves. So we had a chance to accumulate. And if you've been following the raw portfolio, we actually took advantage of some little discounts under $12 right now after hours. I believe it's trading. The actual price is around 1201 or 1203 or something like that right now. But anyway, we're looking for a 2 week above $12.13. So very, very, very clean setup over there. Pretty easy. Let me see. Let me make sure we got that PCG right. Let me make sure if I got your PCG right. I don't know if I gave you guys the actual look at it. I want to give you guys a look at the trigger so we get it on camera. 2 week above 1686. Okay. Last one we're going to look at, Steady Eddie Silver. Now, if you followed my previous watch list, I actually pointed out this trigger, this 2 week above 2072. And one of the prime things I mentioned was because a lot of people say I have to go to work and I don't have time to look at my chart. So specifically what I told people, this is one of the things you'd be able to look at because the range that we have is absolutely phenomenal. And we've been pushing up through those ranges. So that was the original trigger at 2 week above $20.72. We have a long way to go on this one. And the same numbers I'm giving you now, I gave you back then. With time, we have expansion. So we're looking around 27.75 or $28 for the short-term move. And then if you want to know the higher time frame moves, you can go back and check out the other video. If you don't know how to find a video, simply go to the channel, type in the search, type in the ticker SLV with the $ in front. The trigger that we're going to look at for this week, as everything has been completely strong, we are going to look at a 4-hour trigger. So there is actually a 4-hour trigger on this stock above $25.12. So let me make sure I get that for the camera. Let's see. 212 4-hour above $25.12. We're going to keep this going. It's been strong. And when things are strong, we want to take advantage of them. So hopefully you guys got some information that's going to help you out. I want you guys to participate with the channel. Again, put those comments below if you have those. I appreciate everybody who shows up every week and is participating and getting better each and every week. If you guys have questions for me, make sure to put them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the information, make sure to share the video. And if you haven't already, if you're one of those people who wait to the end of the video to like it, go ahead, like the video. I'm going to get this out to you guys as soon as possible. I appreciate you all. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP. Until next time, I'm out. Peace. Let's have a great week.